This was my friend's dream car. His first supercar. He's gone now. Please, can you restore it for him? I'm giving you the money. Please fix it.
I understand. I'll take care of it. Keep working that edge. There's a lot of crud stuck in there.
Got it. Roof's coming up clean, but the rust is worse than I thought.
Just expose everything first. We'll see what we're dealing with.
Copy. Moving to the door after this pass.
Got it. I'll bag the chunks.
Dash is coming up clean, but the cracks are deep.
Yeah, just get the grime off for now. We'll deal with fills later.
Copy. Steering wheel next.
Bolt's giving you trouble? Yeah, but it's moving. Keep that panel steady. Headlights off. Seat's coming out. Hoist it. Easy and clear. That's the block. Good work, guys.
Ready for the next step. Rust is gone, seams are welded, filler is leveled. She's starting to look like a Diablo again.
Ready for paint.
Look at this car. It was in such terrible condition before. We worked so hard to bring it back to life, and now it's finally perfect.
You did good.